Are you looking for the best bread machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bread machines that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach 2 pounds digital bread maker. Evidently, machines have become smarter as far as making bread is concerned, and the Hamilton Beach programmable digital bread maker is the ideal example of how far we've come. This digital bread machine literally works like magic. Whether you are a beginner or an expert baker, the unit offers a variety of features that will help you bake your first homemade bread in 3 easy steps. No more spending long hours in the kitchen mixing flour and kneading dough. You just need to add your ingredients, select your cycle and press the start button. The machine will take care of the rest. To enhance its efficiency, this digital bread maker comes with 12 programmable settings for different types of bread, ranging from French bread to whole grain bread. All settings are tailored to cater for your health and nutritional needs. What's even more exciting is that you can select the size of bread, between 1.5 to 2 pounds, you want to bake. This comes in handy if you are preparing bread for a large family or guests. The machine also has an audible reminder that notifies you when it's time to add nuts and fruits to your bread. Moving on at number 4. We have the Zojirushi Home Bakery Programmable Mini Bread Maker. Here we are again reviewing yet another top product from Zojirushi. Is it a case of saving the best for last? Let's find out. The Zojirushi brand does not require any introductions. After all, the company is renowned for producing top-quality products, and this bread maker is no exception. Like other Zojirushi bread makers, the machine is programmable, and it is capable of baking different types of pastries, ranging from bread to cakes. Furthermore, it comes equipped with customized settings, which you can use to bake fresh fruit jams, cookies, and pasta as well. Its user-friendly control panel allows you to set your preferred cycle at the touch of a button. Moreover, you can tell when your dough is ready thanks to the large digital display integrated on the machine. If you are short on countertop space, then this bread machine is the ideal option for you. It comes in a compact and slim design that takes up minimal space. What is more exciting is that the bread machine is easily portable thanks to its sturdy handle. This means that you can carry it with you conveniently even during your travels. At number 3, we have the SKG Automatic Bread Machine. Here's some good news for amateur bakers. If you are facing challenges baking high-quality bread, then consider buying the SKG Automatic Bread Maker. This bread machine comes with multiple automatic settings and several features that are particularly friendly to first-time bakers. To bake your bread, you just need to add your ingredients in its box-like compartment, select your preferred cycle and allow the machine to take care of the rest. Moreover, the machine comes with an easy-to-use recipe book that you can use to bake a variety of bread. Recipe book will be a great help because baking bread can be an art. There are considerations on how you make quality pastry, like using the right butter and many more. Then again, this bread maker is one of the most versatile units in its class. It features multifunctional settings that allow you to bake 3 loaf sizes, ranging from 1.5 to 2 pounds of bread. In addition, it has 3 crust colors, including light, medium and dark. The machine's build quality is simply incomparable. It has a large viewing window that lets you keep an eye on the entire baking process. Moreover, its non-skid feet prevent the unit from sliding on the countertop. At number 2, we have the KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. The KBS Pro Stainless Steel Programmable XL Bread Maker is another premium bread machine worth checking out. The unit comes with dozens of smart features that will leave you wowed from the onset. Compared to a panini maker that can just make bread toast, whenever you want to bake French bread or gluten-free bread, this machine comes with 17 customized programs that you can use to bake different types of loaves to satisfy your cravings and nutritional needs. But that's not all. This machine has 3 loaf capacities, meaning you can select the size of bread you want ranging from 1 pound to 2.2 pounds. Furthermore, it has different settings for light, medium and dark crust. What makes this unit different from many other break makers is that it has a detachable fruit and nut dispenser. The dispenser uses artificial intelligence to release fruits, nuts, and mix-ins promptly into the bread without requiring your intervention. It also has a viewing window and an inner light, which you can use to keep an eye on your bread as it cooks. More importantly, the bread maker features a 15-minute power interruption recovery that restores operations after a power outage. This ensures that you and your family will enjoy freshly baked bread every time, even after blackouts. And finally at number 1. We have the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker might not have the easiest of names to remember, but the machine does produce fresh, mouth-watering bread every time. As suggested by its name, it will convert your kitchen into a bakery. In any case, it comes with a host of advanced features that can bake 1 loaf of bread in less than 2 hours. So what makes this bread maker so special? Firstly, the Zojirushi is extremely versatile. It offers up to 15 course settings for baking different types of bread, including multigrain, gluten-free, whole grain, vegan, and whole wheat bread, among many others. In addition to that, you can also create your own course using any of the 3 programmable memory settings on the machine. Interestingly, the unit has a crust control button, which allows you to choose the color of the crust. In terms of performance, the Zojirushi bread maker is simply incomparable. It consists of dual heaters that distribute heat sufficiently, for even baking and browning. Moreover, the non-stick double kneading blades work efficiently to thoroughly knead your dough and ensure that your bread swelters appropriately. The fact that the baking pan and blades are non-stick coated means that your bread will never stick at the bottom of the pan or sides of the blade. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.